For today, I'm going to be playing The Forest and Sons of the Forest. Umbreon says hi. Okay, let's get back to it. Okay, library. Well, which one should I do first? This one? Let's already be. So I guess I'll do Sons of the Forest. Right here. How do I hold this? Oh, by the way, I wanted to introduce my new evolution. So Leafeon V, it's pretty cool. I like it. And Bulbasaur, Moltres, Zapdos, Agahuno. That's my card stack, by the way. Okay, how do I open this? I'm just gonna have to undo this one. There we go. Trankiku. Oh wait, now that I think about it, it's gonna take like 7 years to load. Oh, it's Colton. Well, one sec. I'm gonna do a part 2 on this.